Hey brides, welcome back. With 168 days to go, I decided to customize my owl runner. Now this project is a little time consuming, so I suggest you use any helping hands you may have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Follow us on Instagram, and check the description box for all the supplies used. For this project, I used this owl runner that I got from Walmart and some flower petals that I ordered off Amazon. To separate my flower petals, I just took a bowl of water and separated them like as if I was shuffling a deck of cards. And this owl runner is like super long, and I did not need all that material. So I cut mine in a length of 30 feet, and it's pretty thin. As you can see while I'm holding it up here, you can totally see through it. I wanted it a little thicker, so I just cut it 30 feet, and I just layered them on top of each other. And I took my Tacky glue spray, lightly sprayed it, and I laid the next layer on top of each other. And for this part, it's actually better to work in smaller sections, like glue small sections down at a time. And if you had a helping hand for this, it would be so much easier. This is what it looks like after 3 layers. And now I'm just going to attach my flower petals. I didn't want them to look so uniform, so I sprayed the glue and then I just scattered them, and then I adjusted them as needed. Now, if you don't want to use this tacky glue spray, you can use a hot glue. This took forever by itself, so using a hot glue would probably be even longer. And I used one bag of one bag had 1,000 petals in it, and I actually used about 2.5 bags. And I'm only adding petals to the edge because I will have flower girls that'll go down the middle and sprinkle some more. This is what it looks like when it was halfway done. And just to personalize this a little more, I went and added a monogram of our name. This is a vinyl stencil that I made myself, but I'm sure you can order this off Etsy, or if you actually want me to, I'll leave my email address below in the comments and I can make you guys one. You can order from me and I'll make you one. Um, you can, I have this little mini heat press, but you guys can use an iron for this. You would put it on your highest setting with no steam, and you would just lay it across the vinyl like I'm doing and let it adhere. Hold it, put a little bit of pressure on it so that it will stick to the fabric. And then you just slightly pull up from the corner. I always pull up at an angle just to kind of prevent it from the vinyl pulling up. So just slowly pull it from a corner and uh, take the plastic backing off. And then I'm going to add our name now. And since you never want to put an iron on top of vinyl because it will melt, so since the bottom part of my S is exposed, I'm putting this rag over it to protect it from the heat. And then I'm just going to heat press our last name, which will be Stewart. And I just did it the same way I did my S. And since my letters are a little bit smaller and they're cursive, they did require a little bit of extra attention and a little bit extra attention, a little bit more pressure just to get them to adhere the way I wanted them to be. After wrestling with it for a little bit, I finally got it and I absolutely love this. I cannot wait to walk down this aisle. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And stay tuned because there'll definitely be more.